What is up, everybody? We are back, back to where it all started. My last video was 2 years ago in man, I don't even know, I think Texas. And 4, 5, 6 years ago, my first video was here, the old south of the border. It's where the camping festivities all started. It's the first stop I made with my camper, and this time we made the stop with the truck, which is hidden over here in Pedro's truck stop, right there behind the building. And as long as you make a purchase, you are allowed to park your 18-wheeler there. So my very last video was just 4 days ago, and it was just showing the truck out there in the parking lot in Panama City Beach. Now I've been on duty for, man, almost 70 hours, 60 hours. So 4 days. I went all the way up to New Jersey, Edison, New Jersey, picked up loads there, drove back and forth. Now I'm heading back down to Tampa. So the truck driving experience is continuing. So it's pretty crazy to come back here. Got some locks up here on the. This is pretty cool. Yep. So if there's enough light, and if my neighbors have left, I'll show the inside of the truck today. Otherwise, I'll have to show it another day when there's enough light, or maybe later I'll turn on all the lights in there. Give a little tour of the truck. Yes, the fridge is full. I just had a care package dropped off earlier today since I passed by where my parents live. They met up with me at a rest stop along the highway. Said hi, and an hour and a half later, here I am, concluding my 11 hours of driving. So, yeah, let me get out of this fence area and get a better view of south of the border. Water tank up there says SOB. That dome thing is actually the swimming pool for the hotel. Just getting dark now. I think it's like 7 o'clock. We just moved the clocks ahead an hour last night. Yeah, today's Sunday. Cool stuff. So, park it for the night. I'll be down around Tampa tomorrow after another 520 miles or so. Looks like it might rain tonight. Definitely due for a shower. It's been a couple days, but we'll walk down the pathway here. But you gotta see what's going on. It's perfect weather out. I think it's like 60 degrees. Just coming around the spring here in South Carolina, North Carolina border on I-95. So hopefully things work out back in the truck. We'll be right back. All right, we're outside the truck stop right now. According to local legend, this delicious ginger ale is produced right here out back by the manufacturer Blenheim. I don't know why it says "nah" on the front. It's kind of weird. It looks like it's been posted on there after, but we're gonna try this out, give it a taste. My truck is in the background, but it's gotten dark and you can't see it. It's actually, you can see the orange a little bit right in the center there behind the other big rig. That's the orange trailer. But yeah, we're gonna head over there in a little while. The neighbor is still there, and it was it was a truck full of guys and girls. I don't know what's going on in that truck, but I really don't want to know. Anyway, we just walked over from here, so we're gonna try this soda, see if it's any good. Looks kind of light colored. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a second. on this nice, beautiful table out here. Figures the bottle is requiring a bottle opener, which I don't have. So we're going to go to the truck now. All right, we're in the truck. The neighbor has not left, but I think they are went for a walk somewhere because there doesn't appear to be anyone in their truck. But I don't know. They could be sleeping, but it's kind of quiet for 4 people. So I'm gonna give you guys the tour. I'm gonna turn the lights on in here so everybody can see in. All right, brighten it up a bit. So you have the cockpit over here. Yes. Air-powered seat cover. Got the adjustable steering wheel. We have my ELD, electronic log device. It's also a tablet. Truck will not start without that. It's basically what is my supervisor. Things go bad, they just disconnect the tablet and the truck won't run, and off I go. As in, like, fired. So, like, yeah, if you lose the tablet, you're in trouble. That shows me my routes. It shows me everything. Shows me navigation. My activities. And most importantly, my DOT times. So I'm currently on a 10-hour break. In South Carolina, going to head to Tampa tomorrow. Alright, so in the middle dashboard you got your radio. Radio pretty much sucks. Got a bunch of panel buttons there. Got your climate control. Most of those buttons there, the yellow and red button are the brakes. It's the parking brakes. When you park the truck, you put it in neutral and you pull those 2 out. One is for the truck brakes and one is for the rear trailer axle, the tandems, those brakes. So you have 2 sets of brakes. Got my flashlight there, neon yellow. My work boots, some candy. Those other buttons above the yellow and red, those are mostly just indoor lighting, to be honest with you. The second set to the bottom right here, that is like locking the differentials. You can try and get extra traction. What else you got there? Releasing the 5th wheel. So you can unlock the trailer from the tractor with that button automatically. It'll pull the 5th wheel handle automatically. Call that the trailer eject button. Don't ever hit it while you're driving. Actually, I doubt it would work if I was driving. Over here got my goodie bag, my driving slippers, passenger seat. Here we got a full curtain. Maybe I should actually show how that works now because it's getting to that time of night. So we just pull this out. We have a full curtain. It's pretty cool, right? Same with the other side. You just, first you gotta put down the, just all jams back in there. Just pull it over like so. And it makes a full screen, and then it just velcros together like that. So you are, you know, capable of getting changed in here without everybody from outside seeing. So we got some basic bathroom items in here. My shower bag, storage up here, vitamins, tissues, towel for wiping off my glasses, garbage bags, more storage, more storage, more storage. It's my clothing. Up here we do have 2 windows that open. It's good if it's raining because they flap open from the bottom and just go out about an inch. Good for when you're driving too. It's a little bit of air in and is not too noisy. I have my coat rack, and you're probably wondering what this whole black thing is there back there. That's a whole nother bunk. So we have my bed, and then we have the fold down bed if you're like a teen driver. It's another thing I just got today. We should probably unbox this at some point. This is my Christmas present that just showed up. It's, what is it, March 8th today? So this is just the holder. Look at this knife. It's crazy looking. This holder, the shape of the knife. I have to open that up. Actually, let's do that right now. Let's see what the heck's going on here. Oh, come on, is it taped? Probably ripping something that I shouldn't be. Okay, come on. It's hard to do this one-handed. It's probably not the way to open this. I hope it was, oh, whoa, upside down. Upside down. I just ripped it. What the heck? Oh, so I just ripped the base of the box off. Oh, well. Look at this crazy thing. What in the... Oh, this is nuts. This will prevent anyone from breaking into my cab. Dang, it's heavy too. This is gonna be cool. I'll use this to cut something later. Cut some vegetables or something up with it. Sorry, I don't know if my camera ran out of room or what, but there is a bottle opener on here. Hang on, let's try and open this up. Okay, can't get it to grab. Come on. It's the worst bottle opener I've ever seen in my life. Lord, that was the worst bottle can opener I've ever seen in my life. It wouldn't even grab. Finally got it. All right, let's give this a taste. Looks like I got a new neighbor out there. I see lights. My hair sticking up on that one side there. It's a great haircut I gave myself. Oh, this is... It's spicy. It's real ginger. It's real ginger. It's spicy like pepper. It's got like a pepper taste. It's real ginger ale. Wow. It's strong. It's like overpowering. Man. That is something. Got the real ginger in there. I wonder if it says it on the back. Carbonated water, 0 citric acid, sodium benzoate. Oh, maybe it's just a poison that's making it burn. Natural flavoring, caramel coloring. Natural ingredients at the bottom of the bottle is normal, settling. Made with real ginger. It's definitely the ginger that I'm tasting. Wow, that's crazy. I wonder if I could have popped the top off with that. Anyway, so I got my coat rack up here. Winter coat for when I go up north every week. Gym shorts, pajamas, midday coat, and this is my sleeping hoodie. $10 at Walmart. Kid eating, Asian kid eating ramen. So yeah, you got storage under there. I keep gallons of water underneath the bed. It just lifts up. And yeah, that's about it. So alright, I think this has got to be edited completely because it's like 3 different clips. But so yeah, that's the inside here. That's the lighting. It's cool. It's got a lot of lighting in here. Lighting right here. Lighting right there. Book lighting right here. Lots of lighting in here. Alright, till next video.